Let's talk about different types of blowdown on a boiler. On a fire tube boiler like this, we basically have three main types of blowdown. We've got our low water cutoff and sight glass blowdown. We've got a surface skimmer or continuous blowdown, and we've got a bottom blowdown. Each of these blowdowns has a different procedure and has a different purpose. Our safety or low water cutoff blowdowns is designed to verify that our low water cutoff is operating correctly and to clean that float chamber so that it continues to work correctly. So let me demonstrate that. First, it's important to wear correct PPE anytime we're opening and closing valves on a boiler. So in this case, that would be gloves. First, let's blow down our low water cutoff. When we do our low water cutoff blowdown, we don't want to thermally shock that piping. So I'm going to crack the valve and just allow a small amount of flow to preheat that piping. Once I'm confident that piping's warmed up, I'm going to go ahead and open this valve all the way, which is going to trip the boiler off on low water. As soon as that trips, I'm going to go ahead and close the valve and let the boiler return to normal operation. If I've got any cloudiness on my sight glass, I can also do a sight glass blowdown. Now once we've done that, the boiler is going to go through the process of relighting. While it's doing that, I may go ahead and take the information from my chemical testing on my conductivity and look at that reading.